Have you ever felt like someone was watching you? Or experienced something so eerie, it left you questioning reality? You're not alone. Today, we delve deep into disturbing real-life stories that will send chills down your spine. Brace yourself, because what you're about to hear might just haunt you long after this video ends. Let's kick things off with a chilling encounter shared by a woman named Sarah. One night, as she returned home from work, she noticed a figure standing in her driveway. The figure seemed to change shape, flickering in and out of sight. It wasn't until she got closer that she realized it looked just like her late grandmother, staring back at her with an unsettling grin. Was it a ghost or merely a trick of the light? Stories like Sarah's are all too common. From flickering lights to strange whispers, many people have felt the presence of something beyond our understanding. Have you ever encountered something that made you question your sanity? Let us know in the comments. But what if I told you that there are chilling coincidences that defy explanation? One night, a man received a call from an unknown number. He answered, only to hear his own voice, whispering his most hidden fears. How did this happen? What does it mean? Let's explore these mysteries. Next, we dive into the spine-tingling story of a family who moved into a historic house. They reported hearing footsteps in the attic and strange shadows flickering past their windows. When they researched the house's history, they discovered previous owners had mysteriously disappeared. What do you think happened to them? Pattern interrupt. Did you know that over 60% of people report having experienced something paranormal? This phenomenon is more common than we think, and yet many choose to ignore these inexplicable moments. Why do we dismiss these experiences? Let's keep uncovering these chilling narratives. As we continue, we hear from a man who discovered a hidden diary in his attic. It belonged to someone who had lived in his house decades before. The diary detailed ominous events and bizarre occurrences that mirrored the very things happening to him today. Coincidence or curse? You decide. If you're finding these stories riveting, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We have so much more spine-tingling content coming your way. Now, let's jump back into our next disturbing tale. Another chilling experience comes from a woman who noticed that her reflection in the mirror started to act independently. It would grin when she didn't, and in some instances, it seemed to move before she did. What does this mean? Could it be a window to another dimension? Let's explore this unsettling phenomenon. Now let's discuss coincidences that seem to defy logic. One person recounted finding an old photograph of a family that looked strikingly similar to theirs but taken decades earlier. Was it just a coincidence, or could these families be connected through time? As we near the end, let's take a moment to reflect on these eerie encounters. Each of these stories serves as a reminder of the mysteries that linger in the shadows of our reality. What do you believe these events signify? Share your thoughts down below. Finally, as we conclude, remember to keep your eyes and mind open to the strange and unexplained. Our world is full of chilling tales waiting to be uncovered. Be sure to join us next time for even more spine-tingling narratives that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Thank you for watching. If you like these stories, hit that like button and subscribe for more creepy tales. Until next time, stay curious and be cautious of what lurks in the dark.